Naija, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go giz, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Naija, everybody get their own matter. For this Naija, we dey bet you hope say tomorrow better. Baba talks if you all don't rise again. Mama shout, now who go pay the rent? Them promise change, we still dey wait. But we go still bet on government.
I see Amumukupuri. Something's going on. No? There's fire on the mountain.
You know, oh God. This is the for this internet.
What are you saying?
Now the thing we say, now she, her husband and that woman self, they did together, they did.
Now.
See,
you are trying to make money from me.
Make money for, if you don't make money, at least go make money better way. Now, no be that one now. I know what's the funniest thing. Now, as the video con the trend, now she come outside, come say her 3 summer go.
That's strategy to make money.
Na content.
That is
na
it,
content. I'm waiting there this life.
But it's content. You are showing everything that you have. Like, what is going on?
But she apologized now. She apologized now.
Ngozi.
She no fit chop. She no.
If you say that I like you, you like her more.
He like you, so that himself.
Which apology that she's saying she apologized. Apology that did not make sense. Within how many minutes she don't apologize?
Apology said not even clear that video for internet like that. You don't happen.
Now you the feed them.
I know the country no good too. But at least the guy where you go take better way to take make money. Maybe that way job. Maybe the right.
It's not proper. It's not proper.
For those go they say I go at least so I go.
You go buy.
Maybe say maybe.
In the show you.
Make it or something some with you.
Don't do theory na practical she dey show una. Na practical na you show una. She do the practical so na go see am. So when he want he just advertise the market for
na. I know say.
I know you want to have it with me. You what?
They dream. They dreaming.
See, she for no even do that kind of thing, But I like how she know dey sell her now. But you said if you go there on that gonna make yourself.
No be tomorrow if I catch you. Tomorrow now I go see you now I go dey. Oh.
Yes now.
You see am? You see am? So
what Shakira enter Shakiti. There's no time.
But looking at this, me I don't tire for Nigeria. I don't tire.
What is that? What is that?
Everyday police. This one.
Me save don't tire. Yes now. Cause even South Africa where I want travel go. Now so Nigerians just take keep for there. Yes.
I don't know. See my body. I don't feel sleep well. I don't think. See.
I'm going there. I have to go and see my Natasha.
This man.
If you see Natasha in South Africa, I will go and bring her to Nigeria.
Come to Yabode. You want to kill yourself.
How many guests did they find?
What is wrong with you? No. This life is all about enjoyment. Enjoy your life. Now that we are young.
Hello.
Anytime I just say Nigerian, for you just speak because number one. Fuel, you don't inflate price. Rice. Even my brother went the island say, in bill, house rent, now 1 million, 1.5 before. Now they don't add another 1 million. That's 2.5 million now. What's happening for this country?
What did they work?
Now that one that they talk. What about my own? Am I supposed to be here by this time? I have a lot of work in my shop, but I can't work.
Why?
I bought the fuel the last time, 1,220. Now I'm buying it for 1,350. Kilo day. You don't want to kill us.
Price.
Every time they're just increasing this price. And this price they're buying now is not original. It's fake.
I feel that we should just pray. I think that's what it's do.
Now I want go Cape Town. Now I want go Cape Town. May I just go enjoy small. May I just go, Johannesburg. May I just go like,
Cape Town with this your direct money for you. I know which one.
Come.
You don't send those Cape Town girls.
I go kill you for you.
Na ballet.
Don't go do BBN.
Na ballet for area. See plaster.
I go kill am. See, I go pastor. I go beat am.
Tell us say no this nigga they carry go Cape Town. No be this.
I go beat am. I go beat you.
She don't know. It's okay. Yeah.
I don't go.
Cape Town no be 5 naira.
I go when I do BBN.
We go dry you.
BBN
we want go big pass one. I go do. BBN money cost.
She think that Cape Town is for children.
No live banana.
That's small bomb.
All those ballet where they come drive Camry old school. They come pick am. That's why they go Cape Town.
You are not supposed to talk bad about that now. That's uncalled for.
I say this man, he dey into that. Come on, pastor. I know what I think.
See, the two of you.
That woman.
Time is going. I want to go and play my bet in better Ninja. Time is going like this.
No shy if you chop the money, no shy carry her body go and get one new hotel white for that side.
Ah, this boy, this
This
Pastor.
Pastor.
You are trying with this man.
Pastor, abeg, I want something I go to this house. See you later.
But God, why you no just help me? Give me money. Make I fit help Carpentine. Help this guy. Help Ngozi. Just help everybody.
For this Niger, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat. Inside shop, we go kiss, we go vex. But we go still laugh, forget the stress. For this Niger, everybody get their own.